Welcome to Carrollton, one of the fastest growing cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth metro. And today I'm going to show you a beautiful home just steps away from this walking trails and pond. Let's go. This home makes a statement the second you pull up. Beautiful brickwork, classic lines, and a front porch that feels like home before you even step inside. Inside you're greeted with elegance, from neutral paint, upgraded flooring, amazing light fixtures. This home is light, bright, and airy, and just check out all the soaring ceilings in here. This kitchen features beautiful white cabinets, amazing appliances, perfect for entertaining or easy family nights. And check out this dining area. It's made for holiday dinners, birthday brunches, and everything in between. Right up front, you've got a flexible space that's perfect as a second living room area, formal room, or your favorite reading nook. With multiple bedrooms and versatile spaces, this home is built for function and style. There is room for everyone in here. There's 2 bedrooms downstairs on this floor plan, and this is your amazing primary sanctuary. Do you love barbecues and having the family outside? This is a huge back patio to make it your own on this huge corner lot. This is more than just a beautiful home. It's a chance to live in one of DSW's hottest markets and close to almost everything Carrollton has to offer. So what are you waiting for? Let's come and take a look at this home. Call, text, or DM me to schedule a private tour. See you soon.